Hello, today we will guide you through how to change volume color on ThinkorSwim mobile app. In this walkthrough, we'll adjust the color of the volume bars on your chart so they're easier to see and better aligned with your preferred theme. Before we begin, make sure the app is installed and you're signed in. Start by opening the ThinkorSwim mobile app. From the main screen, head to your chart view by selecting any symbol you'd like to use as a sample. It can be any stock or ETF. This is simply to bring up an active chart so you can preview changes in real time. Once the chart is open, scroll within the screen if needed to make sure you can see the chart toolbar and controls. Depending on your device and layout, some controls may be tucked to the side until you interact with the chart. On the left side of the chart, tap the candle icon. This icon represents your chart appearance options and is the quickest way to access the tools we need. Next, choose Create Advance. This opens a more detailed set of chart options so you can fine-tune how things look and behave. Within the Advanced view, tap Settings. This is where you adjust visual preferences for studies and chart elements. In the list of available studies and overlays, tap Volume. You're now in the Volume Studies customization area where you can change how the volume bars display on your chart. Tap Color to open the color picker. You'll see a range of choices that can help your volume bars stand out. Select a sample color that provides strong contrast against your chart's background. For example, if you're using a dark theme, a brighter color often improves visibility. On a light theme, deeper or bolder tones tend to be easier to read. As you pick a color, look at the chart behind the menu to confirm it's clear at a glance. After you select the color, the change applies immediately to the volume bars on your current chart. If your chart includes pre-market or after-hours data, glance across the full session to ensure the color remains easy to see in all segments. If it doesn't, simply revisit the color option and try a different shade. You can return to these settings at any time to refine your choice as your layout or lighting conditions change. That's it. You opened the app, chose a sample symbol, navigated through the candle icon to Create Advanced, entered settings, selected volume, opened color, and picked your preferred color. Your volume bars should now match your style and be easier to read during analysis.